On guys, we have this question right here. It's asking a plane flies horizontally at an altitude of 5 kilometers and passes directly over a tracking telescope on the ground. When the angle of elevation is 5 by 3, this angle is decreasing at the rate of 5 by 6 radius per minute. How fast is the plane traveling at that time? So let's draw the diagram of the question. So they are saying the plane is flying horizontally at an altitude, so therefore the height is 5 kilometer, and this is the height. And also they are saying it's the angle of elevation is 5 by 3, so the angle the plane making from the ground is going to be 5 by 3. So this is the angle. Also, they are saying that this angle is decreasing at a rate of 5 by 6 radius per minute. So let's say this is theta. So if 5 by 3 is equal to theta, then the d theta by dt is going to be negative because they are saying it's decreasing. So it's going to be negative 5 by 6 radius per minute. And also the question is how fast is the plane traveling at the time. So to find the speed, I have to consider this distance it's traveling. So let's say this is x. So the question is dx by dt. That's going to be my speed. So first of all, we have to make a connection with all of these. So first of all, they have given the angle of elevation is pi by 3. So if you form a z shape on this diagram, you will get a same angle on the top right here. So it's going to be 5 by 3 or theta. Then I can form an equation related to x and this height by taking cot theta or tan theta, but cot theta is easy because the x comes on the top. That's what we want because we had to find the dx by dt. So cot theta is going to be adjacent over opposite x over 5, right? Now I had to find the derivative of this one. If I find the derivative of cot theta is minus cosec square theta. So let's mention that right here. Derivative of cos theta is minus cosec square theta. So if I plug that value in this instead of this, it's going to be minus cosec square theta multiplied by this is going to be a chain rule since cot theta. I am taking the outer derivative first. This minus cosec square theta. The inside derivative is going to be d theta by dt. So d theta by dt multiplied by the derivative of this one is 1 over 5. I have to multiply this one by dx by dt. The question is asking to find the dx by dt, so let's find all these value right here. So they have provided the theta is 5 by 3. So in this case, minus cosec square theta, I can write it as minus 1 over sine square theta because cosec is reciprocal of sine. So I can write it as it. So it's going to be 1 over sine square theta, and d theta by dt is provided. It's minus 5 by 6. I can plug it right here. It's going to be minus 5 by 6 and equal to 1 over 5 dx by dt. Then sine square theta, so theta is provided. It's 5 by 3. 5 by 3 means 60 degrees. So we know the sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So I can plug this one right here. If I plug this one, I will get 1 over root 3 by 2 square because sine square theta. So therefore I have to square this one times minus 5 by 6 over 1 over 5 dx by dt. Then if I find the square of this one, I will get minus 1 over 3 by 4 multiplied by minus 5 by 6 or equal to 1 over 5 dx by dt. And if I find the value, I continue in this side. So if this is going to swap around in the top, so it's going to be also I can multiply. So let's swap this one first. So okay. So since this is 3 by 4, okay. So minus 4 by 3 multiplied with minus 5 by 6. So this can become 3, this can become 2, and equal to 1 over 5 dx by dt. Then if I multiply both of them together, it's going to become plus, because minus minus plus, so it's going to be plus 25 by 9 equal to 1 over 5 dx by dt. And if I solve for dx by dt, I will get 10 pi over 9. Since the units given in the height is given in kilometer, this is going to be kilometer, and the time is given in minutes, so this is going to be kilometer per minute. And the answer is positive, therefore we can say the how fast the plane is traveling at that time. Um, they didn't ask for increasing or decreasing. We can say the plane is traveling. The plane is traveling by the speed of 10 5 10 5 by 9 kilometer per minute. So the plane is traveling by the speed of 10 5 by 9 kilometer per minute. So this is my final answer, and that's it. So the answer they are given is completely matches with this one. So this is how we find the answer. I hope you guys like this video. See you next time.